I'm going to decide on Vidyasagar in a function. Will you join me?
Where will it be held?
It's in the town hall.
Yes, we should go.
Yeah, we should not miss a chance to pay tribute to our Vidyasagar. There will be so many functions all over India today.
But one thing pains me.
What's that?
We don't remember Vidyasagar escaped on his birthday.
That's true. That's true. We should do something about it.
You see, this month of Sunday, we can sit together and talk about Vidyasagar. It is a grand idea. I will talk to our other friends. Join us.
Not only we will talk about him, but follow his advice in our daily life.
Yes, let's take a vow to fulfill the vision of Vidyasagar.
Hey boy, where are you going?
I am going to garland the statue of Vidyasagar.
Why?
What a silly question. Don't you know today is 26th September, Vidyasagar's birthday?
No, not only that. This is the 205th birth anniversary of Vidyasagar. So what? Why is so proud about it?
Are you a Bengali? If yes, how can you deny him?
He is the father of our modern mother tongue.
Not only that, he is one of the pioneers of Bengal's Renaissance.
What a courageous man he was. We are fortunate that such a man was born in Bengal.
I am getting late. Let me go to garland the statue.
Where is it?
It's around the corner.
I understand my folly. I will go with you. Get me a garland from market.
I have got an extra one. You may take it.
Then we have been able to convince Shivraj. We have finally won the battle.
No, not we. It's Vidyasagar who has won the battle.